Good everybody, and greetings from the workshop once again. Well, what a difference 24 hours makes. Crusty fork stanchions are gone, vapor blasted by the magician over at OCD Vapor Blasting. My sincere thanks, Doug. Forks are all back assembled and looking quite lovely. I would say that with vapor blasting, your results are going to vary, but if you consider how disgusting they were yesterday and how great they look today, I mean, this is factory new, I would say, other than my greasy paws being on them when they were being fitted. These look as good as new. So yeah, just amazing work. And if you're going to get metal work done and you're not going to clear coat it, which is kind of what the OEM style is, vapor blasting, no substitute. So thanks again, OCD Vapor Blasting. This is the 1977 Z650B, and she is almost done. So that's the last really big piece of work. I mean, other than sticking oil in the fork tubes, of course. But that's the last really big piece of work on this one. So really it's just buttoning up stuff like the wiring, making that look tidy, plumbing the tank in, sticking a cap on it, straightening things up on the handlebar so they sit correctly, and job done. So stay tuned for that. Lots of exciting stuff coming up. And obviously she's starting to look the business. So there you go. That is what the business should look like. Shiny, new, and everything working. Catch you in the next video, everybody. Bye.